Welcome to Easy English Podcast.
Learn English with us.
It's fun and easy. Join us now.
Have you ever been lost in a new city?
Yeah, I have. Once in Barcelona, I walked in circles for almost 20 minutes.
Oh no, that sounds stressful. I think most people feel that way when they're in a place they don't know.
Totally. And the worst part, your phone battery's low, you can't use the map, and you're just stuck.
Right? You want to ask someone, but you're not sure what to say, or if they'll even understand.
That's the thing. It's not just about knowing the words, it's about feeling calm enough to say them.
Exactly. I think a lot of learners get nervous, like they'll say it wrong or sound silly.
Wait, actually, I'm not sure if silly is the right word. Maybe awkward, like you don't want to bother someone.
Yeah, that's better. Awkward feels more real.
And then you just freeze.
I've done that. Just stood there, staring at the ground.
Seriously? I did that too. Once in Tokyo.
Oh, wow. So even when you're not sure, just saying something is better than nothing.
Yeah, and that's why we're talking about this today, because it's a real problem, and it's something you can learn.
So if you're listening, don't worry, this is for you.
And if you're enjoying this, maybe just hit subscribe?
Just one quick thing. Subscribe if you like simple English like this.
Yeah, it helps others find us too.
And hey, don't worry if you're not perfect. We're all learning.
Right. Let's just start with the first step, how to ask for help naturally.
Imagine you're walking down a street in a new city, looking for a cafe. You're not familiar with the area and you're starting to feel anxious.
Exactly. You're near a busy road with cars whizzing by, and you want to find a quick answer, but you're not sure how to ask.
That's right. I remember once in Berlin, I saw a woman and just froze. I didn't know what to say.
Yeah, I've been there too. I think the problem is overthinking. We try to say something complicated like, "Excuse me, could you please direct me to the pharmacy located near the corner of Main Street and Market Avenue?"
Oh no, that's too much. No one says that.
Exactly. Native speakers keep it simple. Like, "Excuse me, is this the way to the pharmacy?"
Much better. Short and clear. You don't need to mention street names, just point or say near the bank or next to the cafe.
Exactly. And landmarks are easier to use. You don't need to know the street names. Just ask, "Is this the way to the bank or is the church on the left?"
I like that. Instead of saying the building with the red door, you just say the church or the shop with the blue sign.
Right. And you don't have to be perfect. Just ask one clear question, then confirm with left or right if they point in that direction.
That's a good point. I think people get stuck because they think they have to be perfect. But really, just asking one clear question is enough.
Agreed. If you're unsure, you can even say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Or "Could you speak slower?"
Oh, I made a mistake there. I meant to say excuse me, not sorry. Sorry is for when you've done something wrong.
Good catch. "Excuse me" is better when you want to interrupt someone to ask a question.
Right? It's not about being perfect. It's about being clear and polite. And if you make a small mistake, it's okay.
I once asked a man, "Is this the way to the bank?" And he said, "No, that's the post office." I just said, "Oh, sorry, can you point to the bank?" And he did.
See? It worked. And he didn't even mind.
Most people are understanding. They've been lost too.
So the key is to just start. Say excuse me, ask your question, and confirm with left or right. Simple.
And remember, keep your questions short. One quick question, and you're already halfway there.
I'll try that next time. Just say, "Excuse me, is this the way to the cafe?" and then ask for directions.
Perfect. And if you're unsure, a smile goes a long way.
Absolutely. Even if you're nervous, a smile makes it easier for both of you. Imagine this. You're at a train station, maybe in London or Paris. You have your bag, your ticket, and you're standing by a board with names and numbers.
Yeah, it's a common scenario. I remember once in Madrid, I saw a sign that said Plataforma 7, but I had no idea what it meant. I just stood there thinking, "Platform? What does that even mean?"
I know the feeling. I didn't understand it at first, but now I do. A platform is just where the train stops, so when you hear platform, you know it's the right place to be.
Exactly. And when you're at a bus stop, you might hear people say take the bus or get on the bus, but they're not the same things. Take is for the whole journey, like take the number 12 to the city centre. But get on is just about boarding, like get on the 12, please.
Got it. So if someone says get on the bus, they mean to board it. But if they say take the bus, they mean to use it to get to a specific place.
Right, and that's where people get confused. I once asked a man, can I take the bus to the museum? And he said, yes, but you need to get on the number 8. I was confused. I thought take meant get on, but it's not exactly the same.
That makes sense. So take is the route and get on is the action. I'll remember that.
And another term, transfer. Some people say change, others say transfer. But they both mean the same thing, switching from one bus or train to another.
So if a timetable says transfer at Central Station, it means you need to get off one train and catch another, right?
Exactly. And you can ask, do I need to transfer? Or is there a transfer here? That's a good question to ask.
Yeah, I've done that. I said, could you repeat that? And the lady smiled and said, of course. Then she slowed down and said, take the 12, transfer at City Hall, then get on the 5.
Good. And when you're looking at a map or your phone, you can point and ask, is this the right route? Or which bus goes to the park?
That's a good idea. Instead of trying to remember everything, just point and ask, is this the way? Or is this the stop for the museum?
Exactly. And if you're unsure, you can even say, can you show me on the map? Or could you point to the right one?
That's easier than trying to memorize everything. You don't need to know all the names, just ask for help when you need it.
Right. And most people at stations are used to it. They've been confused too. So don't worry. Just ask one clear question.
Like, which platform is the 12 on? Or is this the stop for the train to the airport?
Perfect. And if you're still unsure, just say, could you repeat that, please? Or could you speak a little slower?
I've said that so many times. It's not rude. It's helpful.
Absolutely, it's how we learn. And the best part, once you ask, you're already on the right track. You're not stuck.
Yeah. Even if you mix up take and get on, or transfer and change, just ask again. Keep trying.
And remember, the words are simple. Platform, stop, transfer, get on, take. Just use them one at a time.
I think I'll try this next time. Just walk up, point to the map, and say, which bus goes to the museum?
That's it. One clear question, one step forward.
And if I don't understand, I'll just say, could you repeat that, please?
Perfect. That's the key to learning and making it less scary.
Okay, let's simplify this.
Agreed. We should focus on 4 easy steps.
Imagine you're on a street looking for a cafe.
Right. First, get someone's attention. Just say, excuse me.
Not sorry or hi, just excuse me. It's polite and clear.
And you don't need to wait for a response. Say it softly. Like, excuse me.
Next, state your destination. Is this the way to the cafe?
Or where is the bank? Or can you show me the way to the museum?
Keep it concise. One place, one question.
No need for extra details. Just say the cafe.
That's enough information.
Then, ask for the direction. Left or right? Or straight ahead?
That's a common mistake. You don't just ask for a location, you ask for the route.
Exactly. Is it on the left? Or do I go straight?
If they point, confirm with left or right.
Great. Then, repeat what you've heard.
Like, so, left at the shop, then straight?
Or right at the church, then the cafe.
That's it. You're not just listening, you're checking.
If you're unsure, ask, can you repeat that? Or could you speak slower?
It's a simple checklist.
Get attention, state the place, ask for the route, repeat back.
4 steps. Simple.
You can use this in various places, a cafe, on a street, at a station.
Same steps, different locations.
I've used this in Rome, Tokyo, Berlin. It works everywhere.
Even if you're nervous or not perfect,
Just say one clear sentence.
that's all it takes.
You'll feel better already. You're not stuck, you're moving.
So, let's try it now.
Just say one sentence out loud.
Excuse me, Is this the way to the cafe?
Or can you show me the way to the train station?
Say it now.
Just one sentence.
You can do it.
If you're unsure, repeat it.
That's how it works.
Simple.
Very simple.
You've already started.
So, let's conclude.
We've discussed how to ask for directions on the street, at a station, even when you're unsure.
And remember, the most crucial thing is not to aim for perfection. Just form one clear sentence.
For example, excuse me, is this the way to the cafe? Or, which platform is the 12 on?
Or simply, can you show me the way to the museum?
That's all it takes. One sentence, one step forward.
If you don't understand, ask, could you repeat that? Or could you speak slower?
There's no shame in that. Even native speakers sometimes say, wait, what? When they're confused.
Exactly. The key is to keep trying. You're not stuck. You're learning.
So here's your task, right now. Say one sentence out loud.
Just one, not 5. And don't worry about perfection.
Say it to yourself, your wall or your pet. It doesn't matter.
Try saying, excuse me, is this the way to the bank? Or can you show me the way to the train station?
Go for it, even if you're nervous or it feels awkward.
That's how you improve one sentence at a time.
And if you're willing, share your sentence in the comments.
Just write one line like, I said, excuse me, is this the way to the cafe or whatever you choose?
That helps other learners too, showing them it's achievable.
And if you enjoyed this episode, simple, clear, and real, then please subscribe.
It helps more people find this kind of learning.
And don't forget to like the video.
It shows the platform this content is useful.
Thank you for listening.
And thank you for trying.
Keep going, you've already started.
See you next time.